So I've never seen a doctor besides tape or betadine. That's pretty simple.
Oh yeah, he's known for using the betadine. Yeah. Is it almost an hour out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so try to move up in the bed, your knees down. I'll help you, okay? So push up with your feet and you can pull yourself up by that.
So he's gonna get a shot.
That's for?
This is vitamin K. Because babies don't produce vitamin K from their liver, it helps their blood clot so that they don't bleed out.
That's potassium, right?
No, not potassium. Vitamin K.
Oh, it's different. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's firm, so that's okay. Okay, so you're gonna bleed.
And then hepatitis B vaccination is a vaccination against
okay, so go ahead and try to squeeze
hepatitis.
How
come it doesn't look like there's a lot in there? Doesn't look like a lot.
Hold on, let me get this out. Okay.
And the HEPA, we're doing it right now also?
Yeah, the hepatitis B. Yeah.
It's okay. You're in good hands.
I'm going to tape it again, okay? So I ripped the tape off of it.
Come on. There you go.
And this one's the hepatitis B.
The ointment went to his
in
finger.
the eyes? Oh. Don't want to eat that. That's erythromycin. It protects any bacteria in the vagina. It protects them against.
Go down a little bit right here, but I don't want to hit your stomach, okay? So I'll go really slow and you tell me when.
Did I give you your sweeties? Let's give you some of this. And this is like sugar water. It's supposed to relax them and make their shots a little better. Ooh, is that good?
Oh, we didn't get mom's finger yet. Let me get it for you. Can I get your right finger real quick? Your right index finger?
Okay.
Yum, yum, yummy, huh?
Alright. No, sorry, baby.
It's okay, dude. That's it. Yeah, you know how. There comes another one.
There's that one. Where'd that one go?